Good morning, class. Welcome to Arjun English School. Today we are going to start with a chapter time series part 3 that is in 12th standard statistics subject. Here we have already completed the topic linear equation for trend. But now how to solve this sum when observations t and y is not given. Here you can see directly total sigma y total of sigma ty is given, n is given, but here t and y column is not given. So in this case you have to obtain linear equation for trend. This sum has already been asked in board examination, so you have to ready for this types of sum also. First of all, we have to prepare two columns. First column is t, second column is t square. Here n is equals to 8. So we have to start t from 1 to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And total of this. Same way t square. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49 and 64. Okay. Here t is not given. So on the basis of n, we prepare a table. T starts from 1 to 8. Then after we have prepared another column t square based on t, it is t square. Now we have to do a total of column t and t square. So here total of t that is 36 and total of t square that is 204. On the basis of these two columns, we have to find out first of all T bar. Formula for T bar is equals to sigma T divided by N. Okay. So now sigma T total of T 36 divided by 8, answer is 4.5. And we have to find out Y bar also. Formula is sigma Y divided by N. Sigma Y that is 344 divided by N remains same. So 344 divided by 8, answer is 43. Now we have to put the formula for B. Step number 1, B is equals to N sigma Ty minus sigma T into sigma Y divided by N sigma T square minus sigma T whole square. Now value of N that is 8, sigma Ty 1342, sigma T total of T is 36, sigma Y total of Y that is 344 divided by value of N 8, value of sigma T square 204 minus sigma T total of T that is 36 and whole square. Okay, we have already studied this type of formula. Now multiply 8 into 1342, answer is 10736 minus 36 into 344, 12384 divided by 8 multiplied by 204, 1632 minus square of 36 is 1296. Now answer is minus 1648 divided by 336. Then after final answer for B is equals to minus 4.9. Okay, this is the step number 1. Now I am doing step number 2 here. Step number 2, A is equals to y bar minus b t bar. Value of y bar 43, value of b minus 4.9 and t bar is 4.5. So now 43 multiply this into this, answer is 22.05, and here both have negative signs, so minus minus becomes plus. Final answer for A is equals to 43 plus 22.05 is 65.05. Clear? And last step, step number 3, y cap is equals to A plus bt. Value of A is 65.05, B is minus 4.9, B is minus 4.9, and T remains as it is. So final answer for y cap is equals to 65.05 plus minus minus 4.9t. Now we have to check whether value of t is given in the question or not. So in this question, value of t is not given. It means it is our final equation. This is called linear equation for trend. Okay. These types of sum can be asked in the exam for 3 marks only. Okay, for 5 marks, these types of sum is not there. So, for 3 marks question in section C, you have to be ready for these types of question. And then after, our last topic is for 4 years trend. Okay, so we are now start with 4 years trend. So now friends, here it is the sum for 4 years, yeah, or 4 months moving total. In this sum, illustration number 10, here month is given March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. And Y is given in March 5, 3, 7, 6, 4, 8, 9, 10, 8, and 9. Okay, so here these two columns that is given in the question, and they have asked for 4 months moving average. When they ask for 4 months moving average, then this in this question you have to write down this month and Y by spacing a single line by every month by month. You can see after March there is a space for one line, again April, again space, May, space, June, space. It is required in only and only 4 months moving average. In 3 months and 5 months, there is no need to put a space over here. Okay, so month that we have write down, and same way y that I have already put it on the screen. Now on the basis of month, we have to prepare a first column, a second column, that is T. It is very simple. We have to write down our serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then after, in 4 months moving total, we have to put a dash in first three row, 1, 2, and 3. Then after, same way, we have to put dash in last three row, 1, 2, and 3. Again, in 4 months moving total, first three column and last three column remains dash. Then after, here 4 months moving total. In 4 months moving total, we have to do a total of four column. 1, 2, 3, and 4. These four data, total of these four data, that we have to write down in fourth row. 5 plus 3 plus 7 plus 6. And answer is 21. Then put a space. Next, now we are starting with 3. 3 plus 7 plus 6 plus 4. Answer is 20. Then after, it starts from 7. 7 plus 6 plus 4 plus 8. Answer is 25. Then after, it starts from 6. 6 plus 4 plus 8 plus 9. Answer 27. Then it starts from 4. 4 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. 31. Then starts from 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 8. Answer 35. And last one starts from 9 plus 10 plus 8 plus 9. Answer is 36. Okay, so here we have prepared 4 months moving total. In first three row we have to put a dash. In last three row we have to put a dash. Then after, total of all four observations, and after each total of each observations, we have to put a space for single row. Then after, again after doing a total of every row, here we have to put a single space. Then after, pairwise total. Next column is pairwise total. In pairwise total, we have to do a total of these two, means, and write down between these two. 21 plus 20. Answer is 41. Once again, we have to do total of 21 and 20 and write down between these two row, between these. Okay, same way, total of these two. 20 plus 25. Answer is 45. Same way, 25 plus 27. Answer is 52. Then 27 plus 31. 58. Then after, 31 plus 35 is equals to 66. And last one, 35 plus 36, 71. What we have done, total of these two moving, and we have write down between these. Again total and write down between this. Again total and between this. Again total and again total. Okay. So this is called pairwise total. Month and Y is given. We have prepared second column T. We have to write down only a serial number. Then after 4 months moving total in this column, first three row are dash, last three rows are dash. Then after total of these four observations. Okay. Then after in pairwise total, we have to do a total of both the pair and write down in between. Last column, 4 months moving total. In this column, we have to write down a value 41 divided by 8. Why 8? Because it is 4 months moving average means we have done a total of these four, then total of these two means 4 twos are 8. So in 4 months moving total, we have to write down denominator by 8. 41 by 8, 45 by 8, 52 by 8, 58 by 8, 66 by 8, and 71 by 8. And here answer is 5.13, 5.63, 6.5, 7.25, 8.25, and last 8.88. So finally, this is called 4 months moving total. In these types of sum, most important point we have to put here a space by every month. Okay. So if you don't put a space over here, then you can see that I have prepared a fourth column, and value is between April and May. So if you don't have space between April and May, then it creates a problem that how to write this value in between. Okay. So finally this sum is over. This sum can be asked in the exam for 5 marks. Be ready for it. Section F. In section F, they can ask for these types of sum, and compulsory 5 marks sum. It can be of 3 years moving total, 4 years moving total, or 5 years moving total. Okay, so be ready for that. And finally, today's session is over. Today's chapter is also over. If you have any doubts, then please contact here. Thank you.